out for Nolan. Yeah, come on, Nolan. Go away.
I'm going to say Nolan too because I know Travis.
Yeah, Travis is not that fast. Come on, Nolan.
Oh my god.
Don't they both do track? Guys, it was so fun. Make sure you go watch the video that we posted about the signatures that we got and the balls that we got, and they were amazing. So go check that out. Love you guys. Bye.